Top 3 Micellar Water Products 2021. Hello skin friends, how are you doing today? Let me know down in the comments below. Today's video is about the top 3 micellar water products of 2021 that you need in your beauty cabinet. In case you are wondering what is micellar water, it is a favorite among beauty gurus, dermatologists, and some ophthalmologists, and is made up of purified water, glycerin, and mild surfactants to moisturize and cleanse the face. Micellar water generally has a similar effect of a hydrating toner and is lightweight enough to cleanse and lightly moisturize the skin and can be used up to twice a day. Here are the best 3 products you need to try right now. Number 1. Bioderma Sensobio H2O Micellar Water Cleansing and Makeup Removing Solution. Best for those with sensitive skin. The Bioderma Sensobio H2O water is extremely gentle on skin and works to clean, soothe, and smooth any irritation. The fatty acid esters in this water mimic the natural skin cell membranes to help rebuild the hydrolipidic layer. It is non-rinsing and great for easily dissolving both face and eye makeup, like foundation or eyeshadows in just a few quick swipes. Number 2. Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water for Waterproof Makeup. Touted as an all-in-one facial cleanser safe for all skin types, this micellar water is powerful enough to trap and lift away dirt, oil, and that waterproof mascara or makeup without the need for harsh rubbing. Garnier's brand is formulated without parabens, fragrance, sulfates, or silicones, so it will leave the skin feeling clean without an uncomfortable greasy residue. Number 3. Neutrogena Deep Clean Gentle Purifying Micellar Water. I like Neutrogena's non-comedogenic brand of micellar water because it is the alcohol and fragrance-free pick of the list. Also good for all skin types to use. My sensitive skin friends should check this one out. This micellar water can also remove hard-to-take-off waterproof makeup and mascara, as well as the gross dirt, oil, and impurities collected on the skin from the day, while deeply cleansing and purifying to leave skin feeling soft and healthy looking without stripping the skin's barrier. I will say that people with congested skin or skin that is prone to breakouts should test these products out for clogging or irritation prior to use. And those were the top 3 best micellar water cleansers to try in 2021. Are any of these brands in your top 3 list? Let me know down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ding the notification bell so that you don't miss the next video.